So guys, for the first method, you're gonna head over to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure you have set time automatically turned on. Now you're gonna scroll down and then click on sync now. See if that works for you. If for some reason your date and time is still not correct, then where it says set time automatically, you're gonna turn this off. And now this will come up, you're gonna click on change. You now want to set your correct date and time and then click on change. This should now fix your problem. If that's still not working for the second method, you're gonna head over to Microsoft Edge. Now once you're on this, you're gonna click on the three dots on the top right. Now you're gonna click on settings. And then once you're on this, you're gonna expand this on the left hand side. Now once this comes up, you're gonna scroll down and then click on About Microsoft Edge. It's now gonna start checking for updates. Make sure that your Microsoft Edge is fully up to date. If that's still not working for the third method, you're gonna click on Reset Settings. And then click on Restore Settings to their default values. And then click on Reset. You now want to close out of Edge, open it back up again, and then this should now fix your problem.